Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today you're going to learn something good which gonna help your channel grow. This is a tutorial I try to uh, think of after when I watched YouTube Insider. So they do tell you the tips and new features and new policies and everything, but I was interested in one thing which even I said I'm going to share with you guys. So if you new to this channel, please hit the subscription button, and also if you old, you can leave a comment. If you like the video, also you can leave a comment. Also don't forget to click the bell. The bell is this, you can see that the bell, that bell helps us whenever we send you, whenever we do a new video, you're gonna get what they call a notification, so you don't have to miss out on each and every video we make. So our videos are mixed. Sometimes it's programming, sometimes it's web development, sometimes it's computer, but it's just related to IT much. So guys, this is something very important for you and your channel to grow, so don't forget to subscribe and watch this. So this, go to your channel and click here. This is one of the secrets most of us we don't see, and it's in front of our eyes. You click on YouTube Studio. When you're there, look here. You can see here, they show you your current subscribers, right? Fine, and they say in the last 28 days, this is what you got. The views you got in 28 days, this is what you have. The watch time, this is what you have. The revenue, this is what you have. It can see like this view grew by 1%, this one grew by 11%, this by 14%. This is so important to analyze your channel, the growth and stuff. You may find like last year or last month you're all sitting on 40%, now you're on 1%. What went wrong? So they come here. This is not something which I came here to show you, but I'm gonna show you something which is so interesting. So you come here, they give you the top videos in last 24 hours. So this video got at least 269 views, and this one got 139, and the third video gets 97. Okay, we right, go down, you can see the comments which are pushed in here. And you know where I got this idea, something which I've been seeing but I don't give it on this video. You can see this video for Creator Insider. They tipped me something which I didn't know. So now I'm going to introduce it to you if you didn't watch it. So now you can see here publishers video, published videos. You can see all the videos you published here, and when you scroll down here, you can see recent subscribers. You can see this guy, you can see this guy, you can see this guy. Some people who subscribe to your channel, sometimes they have channels, and what I do, whoever subscribes to my channel and he has a channel, I go and subscribe to them. So that's what I'm gonna do if you subscribe on my channel. So I go here and check who are these guys, then I can click see all, then I can see all the subscribers I have, then I go check. If you have one subscriber, and you don't have a channel, I can subscribe for you. But if you have 1 to 2 and I don't see that you have a channel, so I don't have to subscribe to you. So now when we go down here, we can see this is what we wanted. What's this customized studio, whatever, leave that. But now we're going to the most interesting part, which is this. You're gonna click on go to channel here, analytics. So when you're here, you can see the 39 views, whatever. This is 24 last 28 days, you get me? So they have something here, you can see, interesting, but that's not what I'm going to show you guys. Real time, this thing updates live. Then they come here, they say this is the views in last 48 hours, and you can see all the videos which are top videos in those last 48 hours. And also you can click here to see more, which is okay. Also you can see videos which are the top videos in this period. These are the top videos we have sitting 1.1, 1 point something, 1,000, 1,800, 800. You can see, I think they put the top 10. They put for you here the top 10. Then what you're gonna do now on the something which I wanted to show you is this. Analyze here. This was Saturday, you can see 1.3. This was Sunday, 1.3. This was Monday, 1.380, 1.370. Okay. Tuesday, 1.3. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Go back. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, go back with Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, now Thursday, Friday. Okay, you can click on other months. You can check in whatever you want to check from, but they taught me something which is true. Analyze on your channel. If it's not the same, it simply means your country is a little bit different or unique. We also would like to know from you. So they said, which I have proven, traffic come much on Monday. Regardless, this was less. Tuesday it comes well, Thursday it comes well, Thursday, but Friday always down. That's something you have to know, that on a Monday morning you must post a lot. I'm not saying other days you don't have to. Tuesday you should be busy, Wednesday you should be busy. Look at my channel. This is your Monday, this is your Tuesday, this is your Thursday, this is your Wednesday, this is your Thursday, this is Friday. Always the Fridays the graph is down. It's difficult to find a Friday whereby the graph is up. Let's go and see. This is a Friday, Saturday, Friday. Okay, the graph is down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Thursday 5. The graph is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's Tuesday was good. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Always the Friday is up. So if the week was good, at least Friday is gonna be down. So there's something they teach us. This feature is very good if you want your channel to grow. Understand? This is a feature you can take note of every week, every month, every week, every month, every week, every month. So you got to know. Let me try to select if I can see the whole I would say the whole 2020. Let me see what's going on. How are they gonna do that? Let's look for days. Look at this day. Top day. Please talk to top day. Okay, that's what the Thursday. Top day. That was a Tuesday. Look to top day here. That was a Wednesday. Look down here on this graph. Look at that. Tuesday. Tuesdays are not bad. Tuesdays are not bad. You can see also on the graph Tuesday. In my case, Tuesdays are not bad at all. So every time you find the traffic is high, it should be Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday or Thursday, but not Friday. You get me? So that's why they realize they're telling us to they're telling us to do what, to learn about this feature they put for us here. It has been here for so long, but people, we just skip it and don't understand and don't analyze this. These analytics are very, very good. So it's gonna teach you the behaviors of people who subscribe on your channel, so that you can push more and push more. If you target that, okay, my clients come on Tuesday a lot, why don't you post more a lot so that they find something new on the Tuesday? You get me? You might find that a person who watch your channel, it comes back, but now what is that? You have to come, like, you can find an old video, then you watch. But it was whenever I find new things, because you can see those days which are busy, it means a lot of people come. Also those, the old and the new ones. So the old ones, just make sure you make them new stuff, because the new ones, they gonna find your channel to see whatever they're gonna see is gonna be new to them. But the old ones always they watch your channel and they see. So this is something which is broad. So also they talked about this, you get me, talked about this and talked about a lot of things, but I only picked up one thing. Only one major thing is the what? Is the what? The days. Those days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Get me? Fridays, even at work, you can see no one finishes. Nothing can be done on a Friday and get completed. There are a few causes, you know, depend. I don't know what causes that, but people on Fridays wanna go have some drinks, meet some friends, and all that. Tomorrow is weekend. You understand? They can mess up everywhere, knowing that they have a backup on Saturday. They have a backup. Then Sunday they're gonna be sober and fine, and Monday they go back to work, and realize that most people use internet from work. Some who use internet on the phone, they don't watch much videos because of the limitation on the data, and data is expensive in some countries, you get me. So some people have Wi-Fi at home, but when you're driving at a car or in a public transport, he cannot watch your video. It's difficult, very rare, you get me. So those packages everywhere in the world, it's a little bit difficult to find, whereby internet is cheap on your phone wherever you go, but internet is cheap at work, cheap at home, you get me. Those packages they give, the fibers and the 5Gs and all those things, packages helps people, influence people to watch your channels. That's why you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, people they watch a lot of YouTube. Why? They're at work. Why? At work there is free internet, you get me. So analyze your channel. Unless if you say you're in Middle East countries, they say maybe Thursdays, I don't know, Thursdays are always public holidays, like I don't know, but this is what they told us, these guys. And you know, when you log into your channel, you're gonna find that video here. You can watch it yourself and see it is still here. This is this week at YouTube. So they call themselves Creator Insider. These guys, they tipped me on. Always watch their channel and their videos. Your videos are always here. You're gonna learn something new from them, you get me. So guys, if you think and you feel the video was helpful, please hit a subscription button, and if there's something I missed out, please also try to correct us, because we always make mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you are a YouTuber, please subscribe on my channel. I'm gonna subscribe back to you. You leave a comment, I will leave a comment to your channel. I watch the full video, I'll watch the full video, one full video of your channel. So we have also to support one another, and also you can drop some ideas about my channel, our channel, so that we can improve. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps, because I felt like this is something which I cannot leave out, and I leave YouTubers without getting this information. So play with your YouTube studio. There's a lot of things here to learn, and also it's gonna help your channel to grow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.